whilst dragging metals here, be making a quick video on making some copper jewellery. Just rings this time, simple rings. These are made out of all bits of transformer and such, so electronic waste. Got some nice red anodized copper here. Probably make some rings from that as well. A massive spool here of an old transformer, so I have pretty much a limited amount of this stuff. Make some nice little rings with it also, as you can see. Show you how to make them now. Just have a straightened bit of copper here, nothing major. Good few inches, and a battery to wrap it round since I have quite a big fingers, so need something to wrap it round. Pretty simple construction. You can have more or less passes in order to increase the thickness of the ring. It's up to you. There we go. Pair of pliers. You want to cut this pretty short. Now, this part is pretty simple. Just carefully twist it round. Careful not to screw it up too much on the way. You might have a little bit too much on there. You'll have to tuck it under or clip a little bit more off to make the ring more uniform. Bit too much on there, so I'll snip off a little bit from that. Bring that back down. Just twist it into a nice loop here. Try and get it even. Here's one. Transformer copper is good copper to use for this. As you can see, it's very, very shiny. Makes for good free jewellery. Bit too much on there again. Just that tiny bit more. A few millimeters off. That's all that's needed. It's a bit off place there. Open that again. be a little bit more uniform, so I'll do that. There we go. You'll want these sharp bits tucked in so they don't cut you once you put the ring on. These bits here. Focus on that. See, it's kind of sharp, so you want to tuck that in. Manipulate the rest by hand, make sure it's nice and round and uniform. It is. So, copper e-waste rings made out of transformer copper. Simple and easy, good for gifts and such. Try one on, make sure it fits. Nice. Very, very shiny. Easy to get through a lot of them quickly. Well, till next time, when I'll be making something else with all this copper, and I have lots more left. Probably be making some bracelets, necklaces, things like that. Make use of it all, since I literally have too much to melt down. Well, till next time.